I love that I can see the feedback that all members of our administrative team have provided. And oftentimes, before I go in to visit, let's say, said second grade teacher, I can pull up that teacher's name and I can see all of the feedback given previously so that I can continue to build and layer that feedback. The last thing I want to do is to offer a nugget that is in direct conflict or takes them in a completely different direction than what a coach may be working with them on or another member of our administrative team has advised on. And so, once a month, as an instructional leadership team, we do review this data with each of our instructional coaches so that they can see the broad overview or picture of instruction. They can give us some information about their coaching cycles and whatever instructional strategies they're working to embed. And then we can compare notes.